today we're going to look at linear graphs which produce no solution when it comes to the systems of equations. If you're not already following me daily, feel free to press subscribe below so that I can help you daily with your maths. I upload videos Mondays to Fridays, every day Monday to Friday. Right, let's have a look at today's lecture. Sometimes systems of equations form parallel lines. So that means they would not be intersecting. So the lines do not intersect, and it is known as a no solution system of equations. Right. So these lines are parallel because they have the same gradient. Now remember, gradient is the slope. If you had your little line graph, it's this here, that's the slope. So it just goes without saying that another one that has exactly the same slope would be parallel, because we understand parallel lines very well by now. Right, so let's have a look at two of them. You can see here they've got the same slope. That would be the value in front of x. Okay, they're both minus x's, which technically is a minus 1. Okay, so we have the same slope, which will produce parallel lines. We have different y-intercepts, so let's go and have a look at how they will look. The first one is minus x, and it goes through number 2 on the y-axis, so this would be 2 here. And let's do our minus x slope, so it would be 1 down, 1 across. Okay, so that would be here. And we can draw that line. I'm using an iPad, so let's hope it's going to work. Let me just see if it'll go through properly. Just try it as accurately as possible. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's go label it. Our equation is y is minus x plus 2. So y is equal to minus x plus 2. That's that line. Now let's look at the other one, which we know is going to be parallel by now, because we have the same slope, a minus x. So y is minus x plus 6. So we are going through the y-axis at 6. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be here. Okay. And then our slope will be minus 1 and 1 across, because it's minus x. Okay. So that would be there. Let me try and draw that one using my iPad, and let's see if it works well. Neatly through the line on, well, the intercept on y. And now we're going to label it. So it is this one here, minus x plus 6. Okay, y equals minus x plus 6. So you can see, let me just put the arrows on the lines, that they are parallel. Okay, so absolutely equidistant between them. Right, and these are known as no solution for systems of equations. Okay, so hopefully that's a little bit clearer for you. The ones who normally have a solution would be like we did in our previous one, where they intercept somewhere, and they would cut across each other, and then that little point there where they cut across each other would be the solution. Okay, so today's one is the no solution, simply because they are parallel lines. They are never going to intersect with each other. Okay, right, see you in tomorrow's class.